Welcome back to Dad Riffs, and today we're going to be working on the melody of Brise from Sainte Marie. I think that's how you say it. I don't know. Anyways, you're going to go down this A minor scale. So you're going to start on the E string. You're going to pretty much be on the E string the whole time, the bottom E string, and it's just going to go... pretty easy. Do that again. Except you go up this time, and then down. You can slide if you want to. The other guitar is going. And then I think back up to there while the other one goes down, so it goes at the same time. And now I'm obviously doing this thing right here while I'm doing this harmony. So it starts off where they're close together, and then they have a little bit of a gap right here. And then of course the second time you go up. Bigger gap again, back down. And then this time you can like switch them. You don't have to, sounds pretty cool though. And then you got this. And then hammer on. Same thing, but just scoot it down to here. And then instead of hammer on, you just go to here. So it goes. Then you start right here again. Hammer on this time. And this is the cool part. You're gonna do a quick hammer on pull off on the 5th fret to the 7th fret, back to the 5th. And then right here is the B string. So it goes. Again, that's. And then back down. Go back to where you started up here. And that's it. That's just the main melody. Next week we'll get into all the little fills. There's a bunch of really cool fills all over the place. Oh, you know what? I don't even think I showed you that one. So real quick, that's a hammer-on pull-off on the 5th fret to the 6th fret on the B string. And then you got over here, and then the D string on the 7th fret. I think he does that maybe a couple times throughout the song, but anyways, next week we'll get through all the little fills and solos and such, and then yes, good luck, sir, good luck.